Welcome! In today's video, I'm going to make over this little rocking chair. My daughter brought it home from a friend's. They were going to throw it away, and she thought that I can redo it. I like the white color, so I'm just going to give it a fresh coat of white paint, and then I'm going to do something cute to the seat and the back. So come along with me as I work on this upcycle project. I started out by prepping the little rocking chair. It's so important to prep your piece before you paint it. Even though I'm going to give it a fresh coat of white paint, it still needs to be prepped. The previous owners had put a name on the back in permanent vinyl, so I'm taking a razor blade and scraping all that I can get off with the razor blade. There's some residue left from the vinyl, so I'm taking Goop Be Gone and rubbing it in the area. Then I'll take a SOS pad and scrub that area. Also, I use this method to clean bottles that have labels left on it with good results. Now I'm just going to wash the rocker with some soap and water. It's actually Murphy's oil soap, and wash it down really good. Rinse it off. I'm not going to take the water hose and wash it like I usually do, because some of the areas on the little rocker are not solid wood. The rocker has a coat of white paint, but some areas are chipping, so I'm going to go over it with a fresh coat of white paint. I'm just using spray paint because it's easy to get into those little, in the middle of all those little spindles, and it covers well. Going to embellish the rocker with some stencil. I like to use chalk couture stencils because they're sticky on the back. I can reuse them several times, and the paste, after it dries, is a permanent paint. The bleed underneath the stencil is very minimum. I like the little rocker just as it is, but like I said, it had some cracked paint. I did repaint it, but still you can see some of the cracks and the wear. So I'm going to age it and make those areas look like they were meant to be. I began by taking my hand sander and sanding some areas down. I chose the ones that would naturally be worn, and then also, of course, the areas that the blemishes were. Yes, so I cheated a little bit. I got out my leaf blower and I just blew off the chair. I tried wiping off the sawdust and it wasn't getting out of those little crevices, so my blower was right there because I had blown off the porch. Just picked it up and blew off the chair. I really like the white color of the rocking chair, but the wood underneath is very light, so when I sanded it you could not see the areas that I sanded. To make those areas stand out, I'm taking a light stain and going over the rocking chair. Yes, you can use a glaze, but this light color of stain does the same thing that a glaze does. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has inspired you to do an upcycle or furniture makeover of your own.